Hi guys, it's Angie, and I'm coming today to do a quick DT for Crafty Me Shop, and that is a Facebook group run by Esme, and she also has a YouTube channel, and that's always down below, as well as her Facebook group is always down below. I've been a part of Esme's DT for the last couple of years, and thank you so much, Esme, for allowing me to be part of that. I have truly enjoyed every bit of it, and thank you for being so sweet and awesome. Anyway, she sells the laces, trims, bling, candy boxes. She has live sales every Friday on her Facebook group. It's a few hours long. So it's first come, first serve. Once stuff is sold out, it's sold out. Sometimes she's able to get things back. Sometimes it's just the way it is. But she has amazing things, and she goes above and beyond to make everybody happy. So yeah, so this is my project. Let's see that over here. So this is, since Valentine's Day is up, I know I've seen everybody's kind of doing the hearts, so that's kind of what I thought about doing for my project for this month. So what I did is I started out with a piece of felt, and let's see here, felt and a piece of muslin, and I just sewed that together. So here's the back. These are all laces and trims from Esme's shop. And so here's a really pretty pink thing that just kind of dangles in the back. And then what I did is I put some batting in the center because I wanted it to be kind of like puffy. I don't know if you can kind of see it. This is like really puffy. It's like a little pillow. So yeah, so I have some doilies here, and I just layered it up, as you can see here. Some tulle and that beautiful pink. She does some home dyeing. She calls it hocus pocus dyeing. She dyes some of her fabrics or some of her trims and appliques and whatnot. So here's beautiful applique, and then this beautiful trim. These were all from my DT box. So this was an applique like this, and I think this was part of this one. I cut everything up, and I use everything, I mean, up to like a piece of lint balls. Because I don't know if you do that, but I treasure everything from Esme's store, so like I use it down to the little tiny bit. So after I did that, I just, like I said, I cut it up and just kind of tried to make the heart really pronounced. And then I added 3 little vintage buttons down here, and then some metal pieces, and this is a key to the heart, of course, and then a little love trinket there, and then a little homemade sign that I put on my work, so it just kind of dangles down there. Yeah, so here's my project, Esme. I hope you like it. Sorry I got this video a little out a little late, but yeah, but here it goes, you guys. So get out there and get use Esme's trims. Like I said, it doesn't take a ton to make this little cute heart, you know. So, and it's really easy to cut her things up and, you know, make it look layered and really fluffy. So yeah, so I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.